our oven. I'm not even sure what temperature it puts out. I know that it's not right though. Like whenever I'm doing a pizza and I put it on like 400, I always have to put it on like 425, and I'm still kind of guessing if that's the actual temperature that's going on in the oven. Well, after years of guessing, we're gonna fix that problem today with this oven thermometer. And I'm gonna show you how to do it, because if you guys are having the same issue with your oven, this is gonna solve it, and you're gonna do it for under 10 bucks. Got the thermometer out of the package, and I've taken out a rack in the oven. We're gonna set this puppy at 300. Yep. And wait. The thermometer that I'm using, I got it on Amazon. I'll go ahead and I'll put a link in the description in case you guys want to look at it. I mean, it was under 10 bucks. I think it was like maybe 6. So, oh, and also you probably noticed that the inside of the oven wasn't clean. Don't beat me up. I understand. I know that I need to clean it, what needs to be done. Actually, I'm going to be trying a new product called the Pink Stuff that I saw in a different video. Because before, like a year ago or whatever, I did a video of me cleaning the garage, or the garage. Yeah, me cleaning the garage door, the oven door, and that didn't work. I mean, I saw a video on TikTok that talked about it, and then I gave it a try, and it didn't work. So we're gonna see if the Pink Stuff does, but right now we're just trying to get this temperature just right. The preheat alarm just went off, so let's see if we're at 300 degrees. We're close. And I'm going to show you how we're going to fix that. So next, what we're going to do is, since that was at about 275, I'm going to pull this knob off. And I'm going to put it at about 275. And then I'm going to put it back on. Look at that. So now, we put it back to 300, and let's see if it's right the second time. The preheat thing just went off again. Let's see where we're at. Ooh, not quite there yet. So we're gonna make that adjustment again until we get it right. It's definitely a lot better when you use 2 hands to do this, because it goes on kind of tightly, and that way, maybe I won't be as shaky as I was in that first time of doing it, as I was trying to hold the camera in one hand and do it with the other. All right, let's give it another try, see where we're at. Oh, look at that. Nailed it. What a simple fix. I mean, I literally should have done that years ago. And it's gonna make it so much easier now that when I know that the pizza, because frozen pizza, right, because that's all I make in the oven. So when it says 400 degrees, I can just put it at 400 and we're gonna be good to go. So hopefully you got some value out of this. I mean, if not, well, now it's something you know that you don't need. If you want one of those, click the link in the description or wherever it is, wherever I put that link. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.